In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a session indicator on TradingView. If you've ever wondered how traders visually separate different market hours like London, New York, and Tokyo, this is exactly what a session indicator does. It shades the background of your chart to show when specific sessions are active, helping you quickly spot patterns around opens and closes. First, look to the top toolbar and click Indicators. This opens the indicator library where you can find everything you need. In the search bar, type Session. You'll see several results pop up. Choose a session indicator you want to use, such as Sessions by TradingView. Sticking with the official version is a great starting point if you're not sure which to pick. As soon as you select it, the indicator will appear on your chart. You should see colored bands or highlighted regions marking the active hours for each session across your timeline. This makes it much easier to compare how price behaves during different parts of the trading day. Next, hover over the indicator panel on your chart and click the gear icon to open its settings. This is where the real customization happens. Adjust the sessions you want to display based on your market focus. For example, many Forex traders prefer seeing London and New York sessions, while equities traders may only need regular market hours. Make sure to set the correct time zone so the shading lines up with your broker or exchange hours. If your chart time and your local time don't match, double-check the time zone selection here so the sessions align correctly. While you're in Settings, refine the colors to suit your chart style. Choose shades that contrast with your candles but don't overpower them. If the chart looks busy, reduce the opacity for a softer background. The goal is clarity, not clutter, so pick a palette you can read at a glance. When you're happy with the setup, click OK to apply your settings. Your chart will update immediately, and you can start analyzing how price reacts around session boundaries, overlaps, and key opens. If something looks off, you can always return to the gear icon and tweak the sessions, time zones, or colors until everything lines up with your trading routine. That's it for setting up a session indicator on TradingView. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for